Thanks so much. Bye for now. And we'll just do that ending again and see if we can do it without hitting the mic. Hey guys, hey, it's Andrew from Tribe74. Today, new box in the office, and I'm happy to be sporting my COVID hair. Just trying to look my best for you guys. Anyway, let's get into this. First off, from B&H Photo, you know this is going to be good. Always excited to open a package from them. It is something that we purchased. Very excited that it's finally arrived. Let's get into this. Very good. Always have to love the bubbles. There's a microphone suspension crane arm. Very excited to try this out. This is something that we've ordered in as a package, actually, to share with you guys and see what the quality is like. It is a entry-level whole mic system, so great for podcasting and as well too just for your YouTube. Anyway, so we got our microphone suspension arm and your Samsung recording podcasting package. And there goes our suspension arm. And then comes with a nice little set of entry headphones. Ooh, this side looks much cooler with the dude just rocking it while he's on the turntable. And then, let's see. Got some some straps and some additional cords for hooking everything up. So, we are going to be testing this all out over the next month or so, just to let you guys know what we think of it and to really see what the quality is like. So excited to share this with you and get it all set up. So why don't we get things set up here and see what we think. Awesome. Nice little microphone from Samsung. It has a USB port and as well too for the additional hookup as well too. Foam cover so we can reduce that popping. Nobody needs to be hearing all my P's going wild. So let's see if we can get that on. Oh, this is all got a good classic look about it. Beautiful. Okay. Next, little attachments, more things for popping. Set that up. There's our additional cables. Right now I won't be using these. For the beginning I'll just be using it with the USB. This is more when we're going to be getting into doing podcasting where we're having multiple people on. You'll definitely want one of these cables at that point. But for the time being, this is the only little thing that we need, our USB plug. go right into the computer. Lots of cord there to play with. However we want to set it up, and really that's it for the box. We'll set that down. Woohoo! Now this isn't the final way that I am going to set this up. We're going to also get the crane arm attached to the desk to see what we think, and oh, that's not bad. It's just got a nice movement to it. So we can set up nice and close to the mouth. Oh, look at that. Also has a mic input as well too. So we can monitor our sound. That's awesome. So let's slide that in. Nice. So we can get that nice and close to the mouth, and we should be able to get some really good sound out of this. Really excited to try out this mic. Okay, and of course the computer that I need to hook this up to is in the other room. So we're gonna cut that little bit out, maybe, and that just connects into the back there. And let's go get a laptop to try it out. Okay, back, laptop in hand. Let's get this hooked up and see how quickly it recognizes this thing. And right away it popped up that it's setting up a device, our nice Samsung microphone. So it's awesome that it recognized that right away. And there it is. It's actually almost within seconds of me getting into the Bluetooth section. It acknowledged it right away with our Samsung Q2U microphone. Okay. So really excited to test this out for you guys and to see what I think. I am gonna get the crane arm hooked up later on, and we'll kind of put it through its paces just to see what the quality is like. To be honest, not expecting a lot from it. Okay, and then we're also going to be trying out the headphones to see what we like. We'll give you our opinion of them, and it might be something that you're interested in picking up, this nice little package to start out with your podcasting or YouTubing. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.